Here's my setup for Ultralight running and gunning. It's a Vargo stove, a Bot HD, and a long spoon. No gas necessary. This setup weighs ounces compared to the modern setups that use fuel canisters and heavy steel containers. It does take a little more work, and knowing how to use some tinder to get it going, but it probably on average takes 8 to 10 minutes to boil a liter of water if you get your fuels good and hot, over the conventional gas stove, which takes a few minutes. So a little more work, but worth it when you're carrying the weight for long distances.